Hi, I'm Andrew Howell, Graduate Research Assistant at NC State University in Aquatic Plant Management. In aquatic plant management, we generally define our management tactics into 4 schemes. We look at physical, biological, mechanical, and chemical control options. Today, we'll be discussing our chemical control options and the equipment used to deliver herbicide to a target foliar species or for in-water application. So here at our boat, we have a series of equipment lined up to show you. So we have application units that are designed to deliver a liquid formulation. We have equipment that's designed to deliver a granular product. And then we're also going to show different tank sizes and application techniques to treat everywhere from a small pond all the way up to a large-scale lake system where we target submerged applications. So Erica is going to be demonstrating one of the simpler application methods that we use, and that is a manually powered backpack sprayer. Many of you may be familiar with a sprayer system such as this for lawn and garden use, but these are also commonly used for small scale pond applications for both foliar and submerged species. So Erica has traded out her manually pressurized backpack sprayer with one that's been upgraded with a battery powered pressure unit. Now, one of the great things about a battery powered backpack is that you can reduce operator fatigue when you're doing your directed applications to your pond. Further, we have an adjustable nozzle on the end of our hand wand here, and that allows us to adjust the spray deposition on the fly depending on the target species that we're trying to treat. So here we have our spreader system. It's designed to deliver granular products into the water column. It's fairly simple. You load the hopper with your granular product. You can adjust different plates and sidewalls to ensure the direction of treatment. And you can adjust this lever on the back so that you can control the amount of granular herbicide that is getting released into the water column. Oftentimes, backpack sprayers aren't sufficient for our larger scale treatment zones. I'm here with Tyler, and we're going to look at a couple of the tank setups that we have so we can increase the GPA, which ultimately allows us to treat larger areas. So here we have a 15-gallon tank assembly. It's often used for foliar applications, anywhere from an ATV or kayak all the way up to a larger scale vessel such as this. We have another 35-gallon tank right beside it, which can be utilized for hand wand applications like the one that Tyler's holding there, or it can also be equipped for submerged applications with this drop hose assembly that's hanging off the side of the boat. With this tank setup we have here, we have an electric application pump assembly. So we can adjust the flow rate and application volume using these ball valves that are shown here on the side of the tank. This allows us to achieve the desired GPA and ultimately rate that we're attempting to apply. Our final application method we'll be discussing is our drop hose assembly. Now, our drop hoses, which Tyler will go over into further detail, are designed to deliver herbicide to our submerged plant communities.
So here we have our weighted drop hose. This bottom section is the weighted portion. Our hoses are also negatively buoyant. Our herbicide comes through these hoses and out of these holes in the water column. Here we can adjust each drop hose independently depending on the swath width that we're looking for. These drop hoses trail below the boat, putting our herbicide on our target species in the water column.
We hope you found this equipment display useful, and if you have any further questions or want to learn more about how we utilize these sorts of equipment in aquatic plant management, please visit the NC State Aquatic Plant Management website or contact your local extension agent.